10 years ago, ORU hit Kickstarter with the goal of making the outdoors more accessible to everyone. Since then, we've noticed our kayaks turn heads, and quite abruptly. And not just on the water, in the press too. With every iteration, our kayaks have become simpler, lighter, and more elegant. We think you'll agree, our newest edition embodies our goal better than ever before. Introducing the ORU Lake. It comes in at 9 feet long and just 18 pounds, and folds up to fit pretty much anywhere. Maybe not there. Like all ORU kayaks, the Lake is made of a durable, double-layered polypropylene with a 10-year UV treatment, so it can withstand all of your adventures and be folded tens of thousands of times.
Excuse me.
Oh, a question. Yeah, go ahead.
Thanks. So, how is this kayak different than the other ones?
Great question. We set out to create our most pure folding origami kayak yet. As simple and elegant as a piece of folded paper. We took out the bulkheads without compromising the strength of the hull, simplified the trim, integrated the seat, and reduced the number of straps, leaving you with all the essentials of your voyage and nothing more.
Is it still easy to set up?
Oh, yeah, it goes from box to boat in minutes, and there's only one loose part. What are you doing up there?
Oh, looking for birds.
Okay, anyways, next question.
Is it easy to maneuver?
It tracks and handles like a dream. Way better than an inflatable kayak.
What's with the tail?
It helps it fold. And it looks great.
That's fair.
With the addition of our newest factory, we've been able to achieve our goal and bring you this boat at our most obtainable price point ever. So you and all your friends can get outdoors together. Just make sure you warn people.
Oh,
Oof.
every time.
About the heads you'll turn. So here's to the simple things that matter. Getting out there, connecting with nature, and doing what you love with the people you love.